Welcome to the product training video series. Today we're going to talk about ageLOC Transformation, our most advanced anti-aging system to date. This system features a powerful lineup of 4 products that deliver unsurpassed anti-aging benefits. The first product in this system is ageLOC Gentle Cleanse and Tone. This all-in-one cleanser and toner gently purifies and primes the skin. The luxurious formula delivers your first infusion of ageLOC and leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. The next step is ageLOC Future Serum, a powerful treatment product. It targets the ultimate sources of aging by providing the maximum ageLOC concentration of any new skin formula. Finish your daytime regimen with ageLOC Radiant Day SPF 22. This lightweight daily use product visibly brightens and hydrates the skin. The moisturizing formula contains ingredients proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by 45%. For nighttime use, ageLOC Transforming Nights contains ingredients proven to stimulate youthful cell turnover by 85% for smoother, softer texture. This rich, hydrating formula contains ultra-mild ingredients that mimic the skin's natural renewal process, so you wake up to radiant, supple skin. Joining me here today to tell us more about the science behind ageLOC Transformation is Dr. Helen Nags, the Vice President of Nu Skin Global Research and Development. Dr. Nags, it's a pleasure to have you here today.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure to be here.
So tell us, is ageLOC Transformation the most powerful anti-aging system Nu Skin has ever offered?
Absolutely. In addition to targeting the sources of aging, ageLOC Transformation studies are some of the most effective we have seen.
Wow, what kind of results have you seen?
Well, we did a 12-week clinical study on our powerhouse product, ageLOC Future Serum, that revealed amazing skin benefits. As you can see in this graph, users were able to see notable improvements in everything from improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to increasing skin radiance.
Truly amazing results. Thank you, Dr. Nags.
Thank you very much.
Using the ageLOC Transformation system is simple. In the morning, cleanse with ageLOC Gentle Cleanse and Tone, follow with any ageLOC Galvanic Spa treatments, and then apply ageLOC Future Serum. Treatment products like our firming specialist Tru Face Essence Ultra will come next. And the final step is to moisturize and protect the skin with ageLOC Radiant Day SPF 22. In the evenings, cleanse with ageLOC Gentle Cleanse and Tone, apply ageLOC Future Serum, use any treatment products, and finish with ageLOC Transforming Night. Nu Skin is constantly receiving exciting before and after photos of people who have put the products to the test. For example, Karen used ageLOC Transformation in her regimen for 6 weeks. Another photo shows Lauren, who used ageLOC Transformation as part of her system twice daily for 100 days. Their visual results speak louder than words. ageLOC Transformation is a comprehensive anti-aging system that reveals younger-looking skin 8 ways in 7 days for a more youthful, healthier-looking you now and in the future.
As a Nu Skin distributor, you never have to worry about the technology systems that keep your business running. With our innovative IT solutions and secure high-speed data technology, you can focus on your business with the confidence that every minute of every day, we are here to ensure your business operates smoothly. Imagine having to calculate sales tax, income tax, and currency conversion on every transaction, all while trying to run your worldwide business. With our global seamless compensation plan, you don't have to. Our systems do the work for you. Our systems gather all Nu Skin transactions from around the world to ensure that every one of your transactions is included in your commissions payment. The order information arrives here at the Global Network Operations Center. The transaction information is processed here, and your commission is calculated accurately, including sales tax and currency calculations. Then you receive your commissions payment on time and in your currency.